Fresh zucchini arrives for processing, beginning traceable intake. Each lot is weighed to document yield and inventory. Lot codes ensure full traceability through the line.
Soluble solids and temperature confirm freshness and suitability.
Accepted lot.
Only compliant lots are released to processing.
First in, first out staging preserves freshness. Zucchini is gently tipped to avoid damage before washing. Flume washing loosens soil using controlled water flow. A spray rinse removes remaining contaminants.
Verified sanitizer contact reduces microbial load.
Final rinsing removes sanitizer residues before inspection.
Surface dewatering prevents dilution and improves inspection accuracy.
Single-layer presentation enables reliable defect detection.
Operators remove visible defects missed earlier.
Optical sorting adds objective color and shape control.
Reject streams are checked to confirm sorter accuracy.
Clean transfer prevents recontamination after washing.
Uniform cutting improves downstream pulping efficiency.
Controlled cutting creates consistent feed for extraction. Metered feeding stabilizes downstream extraction. Grinding breaks tissue to release pulp. Pulping separates edible puree from while liquids go to treatment. Dewatered fiber is prepared for controlled drying. Drying stabilizes fiber for milling and storage. Milling creates uniform fiber particle size. Sifting ensures consistent fiber quality. Finished fiber is packed for secondary use. Finishing refines texture by removing remaining coarse particles. Inline sieving provides an additional safeguard for uniformity. Blending ensures uniform composition before standardization. Point is met before release. Each drum is checked to confirm accurate filling. Vision inspection confirms seal integrity and legibility.
Automated palletizing ensures stable handling.
Wrapping protects drums during storage and transport.
Finished product awaits dispatch under controlled conditions. Dock safety controls protect product and staff during loading. Pallets are loaded carefully to prevent damage. Seals protect product integrity in transit. Product leaves the facility with full documentation. Cleaning in place begins after production to restore hygienic conditions. Detergent circulates through product contact surfaces. Conductivity confirms correct cleaning strength. Clear returns confirm residues are removed.
Effluent is screened before treatment.
Dissolved air flotation separates suspended solids. Biological treatment reduces organic load.
Sludge is dewatered for disposal.
Treated waste leaves the facility safely. The line is clean and released for future production. Quality assurance formally releases the cleaned line for operation.
Proper protective equipment is readied before production resumes.
Storage temperatures are monitored to protect product quality. The facility perimeter is secured until operations resume.
Fire safety systems remain active around the clock.
Personnel exit after completing hygiene protocols.
Site cleaning maintains GMP standards. Tools are cleaned and stored to prevent cross-contamination. HEPA filtration maintains sterile air quality in aseptic zones.
Backup power protects critical systems during outages.
Lockout prevents unintended movement between runs. Retained samples support traceability and investigation if needed. Routine patrols safeguard the facility overnight.
Environmental monitoring verifies hygienic conditions between runs.
Loading areas are closed after dispatch activities.
The final vehicle departs, concluding operations. The zucchini processing cycle is complete, ready for the next lot.